mostly for Jude. I don't know if you'll remember it, buddy, but back in California, you and I used to watch these videos all the time, where we would make a big fleet of these ships, the rocket ships, you know, that shoot fire at a couple of pirates. So, I figured I'd make another one now that I'm making YouTube videos for you guys. So there's that pirate ship sailing along, enjoying his day, like, yo ho ho, pirate's life for me. But no! Oh, look, it's already on fire. He lost a sail because it's on fire. Come on, pirate ship. Ooh, they're gonna catch on fire. Yes. Look at the big fire there. Look at all the fire. We've already killed a bunch of the crew. Ooh, and that guy's getting really close to him, so he might catch on fire too. Oh boy. If he shoots at me though, these fire ships, they explode easily. Because, you know, they got explosions on them. Come on, shoot your rockets. Shoot your fire. Alright, men. Shoot the fire at the pirates. Arrgh, we be pirates. And we're not afraid of the English. You should be, because we're English. Oh, Britannia, Britannia rules the sea. Take a long time for these to reload. Probably because they're rockets. You know what? We'll shoot this ship because he's a lot closer. Shoot! Hurry up! If you don't shoot, you're gonna die! Oh boy, he's close enough for shooting. He's shooting that guy! Ooh, that's not good. Uh-oh, that's not good. If I'm flashing white, that means I might die soon. Come on, just shoot him! Just shoot him! Come on, ships! Oh, okay, he got some of the explosives, and we killed their admiral already. And he's on fire. I think. Yeah. He's on fire. How is it victory already? He's retreating? You know what? We're going to move away so that we don't accidentally shoot them. And hopefully we can watch a pirate ship burst into flames. Yep, this one's going to catch on fire soon. Look at all the fires. And they're jumping off. Look at the little guys. Help us, our pirate ship's on fire! Oh no! Oh no, look at all the fire! Look at all the fire! It blew up, and now it's sinking. And look at the little guy swimming. Look at him. Oh no, it's so hard to swim with a pirate ship exploding. Ooh, look at all the dead guys. Oh, that's a lot of dead pirates. Alright, we'll blow up this last pirate ship. It's already on fire, so shouldn't take too long to blow up. Yep, they surrendered. We win! Ha ha! Jolly good old